Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Last video was the first video in quite a while now that actually got monetized, it got shared. I gotta thank you guys so much for that. It made me very happy. So if you guys really want to help with the process, all you gotta do is leave a huge thumbs up, comment down below. Hopefully they'll keep pushing our videos like that. And it's kind of hard too, you know, because as far as I know, we're the only channel on YouTube doing constant jewelry reviews, which sounds great, but at the same time, it's hard to get your videos pushed a lot because there's not a lot of other people doing it, so it's like hard to get recommended on those videos. So we're gonna try to kill her, bro. The more views, more money that comes in, we can start to unbox some real stuff, which I'm real stoked for. I think we're actually gonna kill it with this, but appreciate that. Thank you guys so much. Also, man, we have no sponsor today, which is somewhat good news lately, because we can now sponsor our own video with our website, NameBranFam.com. If y'all want rings like this, you can grab them. They're gonna be like really cheap for you. Actually free. All I ask you guys to do is pay shipping, and a little secret that I don't tell you on the website, you can add 2 free things to your cart for the price of 1 shipping. You guys have been killing that. I'm putting all of that money into more videos. Man, it's gonna get wild if you guys keep using that. Thank you. NameBranFam.com. Link is down below. So, let's get into this one. This one's gonna be a little wild. Actually, I'd never really upload on Wednesdays. Wednesdays are like my meal prep day. However, I got a package in the mail today that I totally forgot was coming. I had to drop everything for this video, man, because this is from a scammer, and I'll explain that in a second. So I just want to troll the out of them this video. It's gonna be very good, and I know they're gonna see it too because I've been waiting on this video, and I'm shooting them the link to this video right when it's uploaded, and they're gonna be shaking in their boots, bro. So just give me a second, man. This has a little story behind it, and I want you guys to listen. It's gonna be all worth it for this unboxing at the end and how we're about to troll them. So about a month ago, man, I'm always getting emails, because my emails in my Instagram bio, from companies trying to send me stuff to review in videos, which would be awesome, but a lot of times they don't want to pay. And I don't want to sound bad here, but we're all trying to make a bag. So anyway, a lot of people try to get like a little bit of a free pass with that. Like, yo, let me send you this crap jewelry and hopefully you can review it for free. I waste my time and they waste theirs because it's just not gonna happen. Not trying to sound like an asshole right now, but that's just what it is. This company was a little different, and actually it's not really, because I get a lot of these. So if you guys like this, I can make it into a series. I swear to God, there's a lot of people trying to scam. So these people anyway, they hit me up, and after I gave the whole spiel of like I have to be paid, they said, no, this is a real diamond ring that we want to send you. That's gonna be the payment. And the picture they sent me, I'm just gonna put it up right here, a giant diamond ring. That sounds amazing. Of course I'll do a full video for you, except for the fact that I just want you to look at this diamond a little closer, bro. I mean, like, nobody has a big diamond like that, and there's a reason for it, because that costs like, I don't want to sound woke here, I don't really know, but it's tens of thousands of dollars. That's a big diamond, and with the clarity that I see in that picture, there's no way that it's gonna be real. So at this point, this is a month ago, and I totally forgot this was gonna happen, that I actually accepted this package, but I was kind of trolling, and I was like, okay, cool. Yeah, let's do a video on that, knowing goddamn well it's gonna be fake. Sorry, I'm getting a kick out of this. I'm very excited for this one. It's nice. I've been scammed a lot of times. I never usually get to get back at people. So, you know, also within that email, do remember they also said, like, also, we can send you a nice diamond tester so you can test it in video, and it is real, bro. They literally sent a picture of one of these diamond testers, which is 20 bucks, and we all know these are awful. They will tell you that the worst jewelry is sometimes real. So right there, I'm like, bro, this is weird. I told them to save their money. Don't send me a diamond tester. I said, you know what, I got my own diamond tester. You send it, I believe you. It's cool. And when I mean I got my own, I'm not gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one right here, the real one. And I'm assuming they don't like know that I'm gonna do that, because I'm just really trying to call these people out a little bit. So long story short, they've sent us this big ass diamond ring that apparently is real. Once again, it's 100% not, and if it is, I'll eat my words, and I will actually like pay them half the money for this thing, because it'd definitely be worth the investment. I would just go and sell it for the amount that it's actually worth. And now let's unbox it from these people who just wanted a full free video, because they're gonna send us some really cool stuff, man. Now, I might be sounding a little salty right now, but I've been scammed so many times. I've been like, just like lowballed so many times, where this time I'm like, all right, you want a full video? Let's do a full video. Now, here's one thing. I'm not gonna give out their name, because I have a lot of like bigger YouTuber friends. I used to travel the States. There's a bunch of people, and a lot of them have been hitting me up lately, or actually just one of them, saying, you know, like, be careful with what you say in videos, because a lot of people like to sue you know, down here in the States. I don't know, I'm Canadian, I'm naive. So like, they actually recommended that I talk to a lawyer before doing a lot of this stuff, just to keep safe. They were looking out for me and stuff like that. So I'm not gonna be putting out their name because I just got this package. I don't have a lawyer to contact. I've been in trouble with the law before, but stupid me never had a lawyer. So, you know, if this video gets a lot of love and you guys want to follow up with their name in a full bashing video, once I actually like can call one up tomorrow or something, I'll find one in Yellow Pages. I don't know how that works. And then we can do that. But anyway, we have a like a, I would say a 30,000 diamond ring unboxing right now. And I'm very stoked to give them some great attention. Anyway, we have the package right here, no address, just came in, very excited. Let's get into it, boys. Ugh. Ugh. Whoa, sorry. Man, sorry. I've got a really bad nose. I've broken it like twice. And certain smells really get to me. I don't know what the hell that smell is. I'm getting red. Oh, that is wild. That smells like chemicals. I've never even smelled chloroform, but I would assume that's exactly what that smells like. Maybe they're getting me now. This might be karma. Never troll again, Bran. Okay, so that smells bad. Anyway, ring is right here with the box. Actually, a very nice box. I'm kind of excited to see this thing because it does look really chill, and I would have, you know, accepted it if it was real, obviously. But also, like, if I just like wasn't getting lied to, I might have, you know, done a little cheaper price for them on this because it did look like a cool ring. Anyway, let's get into it right here. Oh, it comes in a little bag. No real rings come in a little bag like this. Let me just tell you that for free, especially if they're worth a lot of money. So anyway, here we go. We have a full-on, what I would assume maybe it's like a sterling silver then? Not even. Not, okay, no it is, 925. Okay, so it's sterling silver, and here's the ring. Damn, that is a big diamond. Now clarity on this, if that were real, I can't tell by eye, nor can anyone, but it's gotta be like VVS, which is really good. The best clarity is, what's that? I really don't know a lot about this stuff, guys. I just talk on my ass most of the time. It's like flawless, I think is the best. And that would be a very, very expensive diamond. So I know it's not real. And also I'm looking at the inside of this. If you're gonna have that big of a diamond on your ring, I don't think it's gonna be goddamn hollow, bro. So all around, they're just trying to get me on this. They thought once I put this to it, put it on and it works, then it's gonna trick me. It's not gonna happen. Bad. Screw you for that. But let's test her out. Once again, man, if this video gets a lot of love, I will contact somebody. I'm just very scared of like getting in trouble right now. I can't have that happen. So I might do that. But anyway, here's the diamond, here's the ring. Honestly, I'll just give like a really honest, unbiased review of it. If that was real, it's a really nice looking ring, man. It does look really cool. I really like my real gold because obviously I've said this in the past. I don't have like tons of money, so when I buy something, I want it to like actually look gold. Like I want it to look like what I purchased and not like a white gold because sometimes people might think that's silver. And that's just like my like insecurities about it. I just want to like be able to look at it and know like, yeah, that's real gold. It's just like know that. So I'm not really into the white gold right now until we get like real rich in the future. Then I'll have white gold because I think it definitely looks better. But right now I'm into the gold. Dope looking ring. This isn't like a $30,000 ring, and I could be real off on that price. But let's just diamond test it right now. Actually, we might just pull out... This one's dead. I suck for that. I left it on last time. God damn it. All right, this one's... It comes with a battery, and I always forget to turn it off. Anyway, let's diamond test it with this. Can't wait to send it to the company. I think I might also send like a picture of me doing this to them. Not sure yet, but they thought they could get one over on old NameBran, and I'm gonna look very, very stupid if this is real, but it won't be, it can't be. All right, diamond tester is all heated up. I'm actually gonna give them a full trial right here, a fair one, in case I touch that diamond. You really wanna clean it off with a certain material, and this is really soft. So you do that before testing it, and I'll also do the same to this, just so there's no funny business going on. Okay, if it's green, it means real diamond. If nothing happens, it means fake. So that's blue. What the hell does blue mean? Oh, you tricksters, buddy. Well, obviously it's not real. I knew it. Yeah, so blue. We'll try it one more time on a different angle. Blue means moissanite. Now, we have actually had one unboxing where moissanite has come up as real diamond before. Actually, these ones right here came up as real diamond. So that's what they were trying to do, I bet. Moissanite, smart, but I can't say it. I think I've swore too many times in this video, and it's gonna be a lot of editing to just blur that out. They gave us a moissanite diamond. They tried to pass it up for real. Company, you're watching it, you're getting the email right now. I hate you. I just don't like you at all. Hate's a very strong word, I won't say that, but you're just like, very disrespectful to do to me. I just can't believe that you guys would take advantage of such a sweet child like myself. Anyway, boys, so that's the video. I had to tell this story. Forgot I even said to them to send it over, but there's a little troll. If you, you know, actually, I'm just getting mad satisfaction. If you guys want to see more of these, people are hitting me up like this quite often. We'll just do more. We'll stick it to them. You know what I mean? And maybe we'll put their names in it because that's just not chill. Anyway, I appreciate all for watching. Merkin the game, the greatest of all time. I gotta get back to meal prepping, but we had to take the time to do this one. I think we're coming out with a win today, finally. Hell yeah. Appreciate y'all, man. Merkin it. Y'all the boys. Blah. Thumbs up and comment. And also, let me know what you think about this whole situation. Is it scummy, or is it just like, am I just going too far on it? I know I'm not, because I've been hurt in the past. And what happens when you get hurt a lot from people? You hurt them back. Just kidding, don't do that. Blah.